Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Once again, I am back with another portrait with some storytelling once again. Generally speaking, this is the first portrait which I did is of a child. I saw the beautiful reference picture on the Pinterest, and the moment I saw it, I knew that I am going to paint. And honestly, I don't think I have done much justice with it, but I truly loved it how it turned out because at the end of the day, it is your efforts that matter. And guess what? When I was painting this, I had a lot of questions in my head. Not everyone always have the same childhood. Regardless of the family we are born in, sure some are born to rich parents and some to poor, and people say that it is all about luck. Like the more lucky you are, the more high value family you are born into, and we see the example of it in our daily basis. But I want you to think about that moment of those specific ages when we all were the same, especially if I talk about from psychological point of view. We were happy. We didn't know that what is happening around us. We were just enjoying, and there was no overthinking, and we were just living in the present moment. We were just enjoying our time on the earth, and we were very happy. A child who was playing with mud was equally happy with the child who was playing with a toy, because at that time we didn't know that what are we doing, but we sure knew that we are happy. And then suddenly we turned 23 and turned out that our fate, our value is decided on a lot of factors, and we have to just admit that money is the power. The more money you have, the more value of your family will be in the society. The more you show your wealth, the more they will respect you. And this was something that made us lost our innocent. We found ourselves that we are not innocent anymore, and our laughters are not ours, and our worries are only just ours, and we are being judged on the basis of our skin color, the way we look, how much we make. We have no choice just to work and work and work. And why is that so that our childhood was so pure, and why adult life is such a difficult phase of a life? People say money can't buy happiness, and it comes from the people who already have tons of it. They say that money can't buy happiness, and the people who are working hard to make it till the end. Just think of it, that we really don't need money, but the thing that is peace, it will only come if we have a little money. There was a time that people used to live in the forest, and they were known as uncivilized people, and then they moved toward the cities, and they moved toward the society to make themselves civilized. And the today's generation wants nothing but all we want a little cottage in a forest, far away from people, far away from the judgment of people. So how is that so that we are only going backward? What resilience taught us. Resilience is not about that you are on your knees on the knockout, but resilience is about, yes, I am having a bad moment, but I will not let it define it. I will still smile, and I will still make my inner child happy. And I just realized that I go too far while I was painting this. So if you like the way I think, and I really think of it a lot, because the phase I am in right now in my life, it make me feel like that I'm stuck in between my future, and I really don't know where I'm going. But at the same time, I remind myself again and again, there is an inner child inside me which also needs some healing. So if you like this portrait, which I think so turned out really very brilliant, I love doing watercolors. So if you want to watch more watercolor tutorials and to know about me more and how I think, you can absolutely subscribe to my channel. And thank you so much for watching this video.